These are the Allamanda series. For the longest time I had thought this was a different series, but apparently they're both vining, my yellow Allamanda and my purple Allamanda. I'm not sure of the exact proper nomenclature for this plant, because I thought it was something else, but the Allamanda, yellow Allamanda, I know is a yellow Allamanda. This one happens to have a purple flower exactly like the Allamanda, except it's a light purple flower. Pink, I guess some may call it, but it grows more vine-like than the actual yellow Allamanda. The Allamanda just goes up, stretches out. This one actually will put out a stem, a vine-like structure. Let me see, let me get over there and I'll show you. So, go slow over here, Marty. You want to flip. Okay. Thank God my daughter for mowing the lawn. Let me just get under my thing over here. Let me get past my Bismarck here. It's one of my trees I put over there. Look at how much taken off. There's grass and you get the. But here is purple Allamanda. That's what it looks like. Way different than your typical yellow Allamanda. Yellow Allamanda will not grow like this. The purple Allamanda is all about growth. It just will put out a stem. And let me see if I see a flower. There we go. Let me get you up there so you can see what they look like. That's a yellow something. That's a purple Allamanda. More pink color? I don't know. Give me some thoughts on that. But here it is. Readily, I guess a real botanist would say you would go crazy with this, cutting off the abnormal growths on the plant. But like you say, it's a vining plant, and the vining plant is a surviving plant. So as you can see, I could take off a bunch of cuttings over here, put them in a pot, and this little puppy will reproduce in no time. So that's it. Just stopping by with Marty with the purple Allamanda plant. I'll give you the proper scientific and common names on the post when I actually upload it. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.